Water gushed out from a street in a residential area in Saitama Prefecture on February 12th.
辺りは水が一面に広がっています。
Water erupted from an underground water pipe and is believed to have shot up to a height of about 10 meters. The area was soaked and workers were drenched from head to toe.
車を動かそうとしているんでしょうか。水の中で作業しています。
A local living nearby was shocked by the incident.
ガラスに叩き込んでた。帰ってきたらもうすでにもうね、吹き上がってましたからね。音はすごかったですよ。ゴーというか、自分のうちの目の前でね、なると思ってないから、ただもうびっくりしただけですね。
どれくらい続いてました？
Another neighbor expressed fear about possible water supply disruption.
断水になるかもしれないから、とりあえずはお水を確保した方がいいんじゃないかなっていうんで、ペットボトルとかいろんな容器に飲み水は溜めときましたけど、であとはお風呂とか洗濯機とかに部屋の水溜めて。
She said she was scared of water gushing out.
怖いなぁとは思いますよね。まさかここの辺であるとは思わないですよね。
Water was spraying out for about 2.5 hours. The surrounding roads were flooded and temporarily closed. The damage reached unexpected places. The water seems to have gushed from what appears to be a roadside gutter. An expert pointed out that debris buildup in the gutter could have caused poor drainage, leading the water to overflow to the road. Why did the water burst out? The cause is believed to be an accident during the replacement of a device called an air vent. Water pipes have air vents to release trapped air, which otherwise hinders water flow. According to Saitama Prefecture, an air vent on the water pipe was being replaced due to deterioration. They believe there was a failure that occurred during the work, causing water to spurt out.